Let us now try to solve another question from GATE 2016 on computer network. Okay, so given that, consider a 128 into 10 to the power 3 bit per second satellite communication link with one-way propagation delay of 150 millisecond. Selective retransmission protocol okay, that is selective retransmission means selective repeat. Okay, so protocol is used on this link to send data with a frame size of 1 KB. Okay, neglect the transmission time of acknowledgement. This you have to consider. Neglect the acknowledgement time. Okay, now question is the minimum number of bits required. The minimum number of bits required for the sequence number field to achieve 100% utilization is this one. Okay, so what is the question given? That consider a 128 into 10 to the power, this is 10. Okay, so 10 to the power 3 bits per second satellite communication with one-way propagation delay of 150 millisecond. So selective retransmission protocol is used on this link to send data with a frame size of 1 KB. Neglect the acknowledgement time. The minimum number of bits required for the sequence number field to achieve 100% utilization is this one. Okay, so first what we have to find, so transmission time of a frame, first we will find the transmission time of a frame equal to 1 KB by 128 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so this will basically 1 KB, so convert this 1 into 10 to the power 3 by 128 into 10 to the power 3. So now it will give you 128 bit. Okay, so 128 bit, and that is your 1 KB. Okay, so it will basically give you 62.5 millisecond. Okay, now the round trip time is equal to 2 into 150. 150 is given over here. Yes, this one. So 150 millisecond is equal to 300 millisecond. Okay, now maximum amount of time that a sender can transmit, frame equal to round trip time plus transmission time. Okay, so it is 300 plus this 62.5 millisecond. Okay, next, maximum number of frames that one that can be transmitted during this time, that can be transmitted equal to total time divided by transmission time for one frame. Okay, so total time is this one. So total time is given that 362.5. Transmission time for one frame is this one, 62.5 milliseconds. So it will give you nearly 6 frames. Okay, yeah, there's 6 frames. Okay, now in case of, this is a selective repeat. So for selective repeat, window size of sender equal to window size of receiver. This is for selective repeat. Therefore, distinct sequence number, we have already discussed in what is distinct sequence number, we have already discussed in my previous videos. So distinct sequence number required equal to 2 into 6, that is 12. So for representing 12, you need how many bits? So it is basically 4 bits. Okay, because there is a range to represent. For 1 bit you can represent 2, for 2 bits with help of 2 bits you can represent 4, with help of 3 bits you can represent 2 to the power 3, that is 8 till 8, and to represent 12 you need 4 bits. 2 to the power 4 means 16, from that is 0 to 15. So you can to represent from 0 to 15 you need 4 bits. Now 12 comes into range of between 8 and 15, so it is 12 so it is 4 bits. Okay, so hope you understand this problem. Now we will solve another problem. It is also came in GATE 2016. So the question is, in an Ethernet LAN, which of the following statement is true? Which of the following is true? Number A, a station stops to sense the channel once it starts transmitting a frame. So is it true or false? A station stops to sense the channel once it starts transmitting the frame. No, it is false. Next option, the purpose of jamming signal is to pad the frame, that are smaller than minimum frame size, Now this is correct or not? No, this is also wrong. Option B is wrong. Now option C, a station continues to transmit the packet even after collision is detected. Even after the collision is detected. Now this is also wrong, because it does not continue to transmit packet. After collision detection, it will stop continuing to the transmission. So 3 is wrong. Obviously the D will be correct. So let us see. The exponential backoff mechanism reduces the probability of the probability of collision on retransmission. Okay, now this is correct. The exponential backoff mechanism reduces the probability of collision on retransmission. This is correct. So option D is the correct answer. So we have discussed several questions from GATE 2016 during this entire thing. So in the next video we will discuss about GATE 2017 questions from network. Okay, thank you.